Hello, my name is Physicist, and today I will be guiding you how to use converters in Cytoid.io. Currently, as of recording this video, there are two widely used converters in Cytoid. There's Lumi's converter and Mecho's converter that are both available on Cytoid's Discord server in the charting resources section. For both of these converters, how to begin is the same. First, using PCtyx, you want to go to the File tab and click on Save, not Export, to get the .csv file for your chart. I'll start with Lumi's converter as it's less involved. Note that for Lumi's converter, you'll need Java 8 on your computer. Lumi's converter requires you to have the .csv file you made and have it on the same file directory as the program. After you've confirmed that it's in the same file directory, you want to click on .pctyx to c2.bat. The first thing it's going to ask is its file name or path. You want to type in the name of the .csv file you made. In my case, it's example.csv. Next, it will ask you for your output file name or path. You can honestly name it anything you want, but for this example, I'll name it output.text. It then asks you if the BPM of the target song is constant. If you have any speed changes, type N. If your BPM or scanline is constant, type Y. If you typed N, you are asked to give the initial song BPM. You want this to be the first BPM of your chart. In my case, it's 154 BPM. Next, it asks you for the beginning speed rate. For the first initial BPM, you want this value to be 1. The converter detects all page sizes or BPM changes. You'll be asked to change BPM again. In my case, it's 167 BPM. Next, it asks for the speed rate. Here you want to type the value of after BPM divided by before BPM. In my case, 167 divided by 154 is 1.084, so I'll insert this value. After you've finished all of your speed changes, the converter should do the rest for you. The pros of Lumi's converter is that you don't have to edit the file yourself, and all you have to do is fill in simple values. An editing approach rate is rather easy. The cons are that if you have many speed changes, it might take a while. Mecho's converter requires you to be a bit more involved than Lumi's converter. You want to start off by opening your .csv file with Notepad++. Then you want to delete the first two lines of the file as shown. Then you want to press Ctrl F, and in the Find What box you want to insert a comma. Press the Replace tab, and then in the Replace With box you want to insert a space. Then press Replace All. Save the file like that and rename the file type to .txt instead of .csv, and then run Mecho's converter. The first question you should get is AR included? If you edited your approach rate values, type Y. If you didn't, type N. The next question should be what file type it is. Type the file name of the .csv file you edited, including the .txt. The output name can be anything, but for this example, I'll use output.txt. Then the converter should do the dirty work for you. The pros of Mecho's converter is that it's very easy to use if you know how to use it, even if it has many speed changes. The cons are that it's rather involved compared to Lumi's converter. And that's it. If you have any other questions, feel free to ask them in the Cytoid Discord server.